A very logical morning to all the CLAD aspirants. My name is Palak Rajani and I welcome you to this session जहाँ हम बात करेंगे कि CLAD को 2 महीने में कैसे कर सकते हैं. Yes, we are going to discuss the ways, the means, the resources, the guidance which you can have to crack CLAD in just 2 months. First question being, क्या CLAD को 2 महीने में कर सकते हैं? Well, answer of course is yes. With diligent preparation, with proper guidance and with proper resources, you can crack CLAD very easily. Want to see how? Come, let's check it out. जब हम CLAD की बात करते हैं guys, तो हमारे माइंड में क्या आता है? सबसे पहले तो यही आता है कि लास्ट 2 months होगा या नहीं होगा. वेल होगा या नहीं होगा वो बाद में देखेंगे. लेट्स कीप इट फॉर द एंड ऑफ पेपर देने के बाद सोचना कि क्रैक हुआ कि नहीं. अभी 2 महीने यू आर गोइंग टू जस्ट डिलीजेंटली प्रिपेयर. First step is getting to the knack that you have to getting into the mode of preparation. This is your first step. Worrying about that you would be able to crack CLAT or not, this is very secondary. Next thing that I would like to mention, जो सबके माइंड में सबको पता ही नहीं होता है कि जो CLAT है that's practice oriented. That's majorly practice oriented. It's not at all concept based. जैसे हम स्कूल में जाते हैं, स्कूल में हमें होमवर्क देते हैं, ये है सिलेबस, तुम्हें इसमें पढ़ना है. एग्जाम देते हैं तो वो एक बेसिक सिलेबस के बेसिस पे देते हैं. CLAT is not at all like that. There are questions which test you on your ability, that how creatively, how quickly, they check your speed, they check your creativity. So उसके लिए हम ये बोलते हैं कि CLAT एक practice based paper है. So आप जितनी rigorous practice करोगे, like the number of mocks that you give, more the number of mocks, more the practice, better the chances of cracking CLAT. Become a part of preparation. So like I said, your first step is simply and only that you become a part of preparation right now and not worry कि आप क्रैक कर पाओगे CLAT या नहीं कर पाओगे. Okay, so guys, इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना. फर्स्ट स्टेप से लेके लास्ट स्टेप तक जो आप रियलाइज कर लोगे एंड यू विल डिसाइड राइट हियर एंड राइट नाउ कि आप CLAT 2 महीने में कैसे दे सकते हो. Okay, the second thing which I'd like to discuss is CLAT जब हमारे माइंड में आता है तो सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे जो चीज़ हमें क्लिक करती है वो है रीडिंग. Yes, CLAT asks about a lot of reading, बट प्रॉब्लम ये है उस रीडिंग से हम लोग बहुत घबरा जाते हैं. जैसे रीडिंग 70% ऑफ पेपर CLAT पेपर इज रीडिंग. सो ऑब्वियसली आपकी रीडिंग बैंग ऑन होनी चाहिए. सो दैट इज समथिंग यू कैन नेल इन 2 months, I believe. Isn't it? So reading is the key. You have to read a lot. You can go for newspaper reading. Newspaper reading पे आप जा सकते हो. And second option would be you can follow Vidya CLAT Telegram channel. वहाँ पे हम articles provide करते हैं. Articles, you'll be wondering for what? If you will take a look at the third thing that I have mentioned here, it's quality reading. हम लोग जो क्या करते हैं ना, हम लोग उठा के कुछ भी पढ़ लेते हैं. So इतना भी नहीं सोचते if it is even important from the CLAT point of view. So here it is important that you are aware what is quality reading and quantity reading. When it comes to newspaper, you should be at least aware कि कौन से articles पढ़ने. इतना बड़ा newspaper है, आप start करोगे, पहले 2-3 दिन तो आपको लगेगा कि क्या ही पढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So one must be aware as to what should be the approach. So you can simply follow the Vidya Telegram channel wherein we provide articles along with date and names which are important from CLAT point of view. So it becomes easier for you to just approach and target simply those articles. So hence quality reading. Alright, so जब हमने reading discuss कर लिया है, ये भी ध्यान में रखें कि क्योंकि हमें सिर्फ 2 महीने में CLAT देना है, every single day counts. Dedication, rigorous preparation, meticulous preparation is what is required. अगर आप 2 महीने में बात कर रहे हो CLAT की. Daily plan is a must. Impossible कुछ भी नहीं है. You just need to have a strategy. Number 1 step is daily plan. Daily plan is a must. जैसे ही आप सुबह उठते हो, your task should be to prepare a daily plan. और वो daily plan हम कैसे prepare करते हैं? Firstly, you plan out what should be the approach today. कौन से subjects में क्या cover करना है. और क्योंकि क्लैट एक प्रैक्टिस बेस्ड एग्जाम है, सो डेली प्रैक्टिस इज अ मस्ट। और वो डेली प्रैक्टिस कैसे करेंगे हम? सेक्शनल टेस्ट को प्लान आउट करके। सेक्शनल टेस्ट एज एन ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन, कि अगर आप 2 टेस्ट भी दे देते हो देन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेल। सो दिस विल हैपन ओनली अगर आप एक प्रायर प्लानिंग रखते हो अपने पास। सो सेक्शनल टेस्ट शुड बी प्लान्ड अकॉर्डिंगली। थर्ड थिंग इज विद अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड। प्लीज डोंट मिस दिस वन आउट। एक पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड आपसे सब कुछ करवा सकता है। One more thing that I'd like to point out is when you are sitting blank, unable to figure out what we must do, what we should not do, जो चीज़ help करती है वो है guidance, guys. Yes, guidance from mentors is very much important because you are very much confused. So I would say mentors का guidance बहुत ही important है। So when we talk about here at Vidya, first step is आपको reading में काफ़ी help हो जाएगी। We provide the list of articles, we provide sources and resources from which you can easily prepare. You can easily just simply dive down on reading instead of sitting there blank and confused. Two important things जो हम discuss कर चुके हैं वो है reading और daily basis की planning. थर्ड थिंग जो थोड़ी प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो सकती है इन क्लैट एग्जाम इज करंट अफेयर्स। रीजन बीइंग यू आर गोइंग टू डाइव इनटू अ पूल ऑफ करंट अफेयर्स बैकलॉग 6 to 8 months या 1 year. सो इट बिकम्स प्रीटी डिफिकल्ट कि आप एकदम से इतना सारा कैसे एब्जॉर्ब करोगे। सो हियर आईड लाइक टू हाईलाइट विदिकिया क्लैट कंपेंडियम, द क्लैट कैम्प, जहाँ पे हमने कंपाइल किया है more than 1000-5000 questions for you, and you can easily jump into this pool where just one resource is enough for you to go for current affairs. So this is also a major problem which is solved right here. Second thing is daily newspaper quizzes which are conducted. For this you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or you can even follow our Telegram channel, जहाँ पे daily updates मिलेंगी और daily जो daily and weekly quizzes which are going on, you can get easy access to them. Okay, third thing was current affairs like I discussed. So if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get access to the weekly and monthly roundups of GK quizzes along with various other materials. Next thing would be if you are thinking of cracking CLAT in just 2 months, the basic and the most resourceful compilation that I would say is these 12 monthly magazines which you will be provided along with weekly roundup PDF. Most importantly, you will have access to the weekly roundup sessions by Sameep sir, director of Vidya. So don't you think how easy it would become, like to have so many things just on one platform under the guidance, under the mentorship of great NLU alumnus. The CLAT Camp compendiums are created by the most knowledgeable faculties here, and these are like direct access to, so easily you can refer to these compendiums and prepare for current affairs section of CLAT. Apart from this, like I said, you can get access to the weekly and the monthly GK quiz affairs. So don't you think this creative preparation is going to push you and put you in the mode of exam pretty easily? All right, one important thing that I'd like to highlight here is the VIOM. Yes, the CLAT Vidya India Open Mock, which are specifically being conducted regularly based on the changed pattern of CLAT for this year 2024. So again, another very important element, practice तो करनी है but change pattern पे, and the pattern which is very closely related to the CLAT exam being conducted. So this is how you can easily prepare the CLAT exam in 2 months. Also under the mentorship and proper guidance, you can score really, really well. So these are some important things that I'd like to highlight. Lastly, CLAT संभव है, बिल्कुल संभव है। अगर आप सोचे संभव है तो बिल्कुल संभव है। Yes, preparation is very Preparation becomes very easy if you have proper guidance along with a positive attitude. Don't be a procrastinator. Yes, अगर आप procrastinator हैं तो ये habit अभी के अभी give up कर दीजिए if you want to crack CLAT, because already 2 months, no day to spare. उसके बाद हम procrastination में एक एक दिन गवा दें, so that would be something that's not considered as a part of CLAT. Okay, all right. So these are few things that I'd like to highlight. You can also register for the Rapid CLAT Crash course, which is going to start from September 11, Monday. And here you can get easy access to all the things which I just discussed: the CLAT camps, the mentorship under the guidance of NLU alumnus, highest number of hours of teaching, and rigorous highest number of mocks जो आपको prepare करेंगे for CLAT very easily. So please ये miss out नहीं करना है. Refer to our page on Instagram, on YouTube. Subscribe to our channels to get daily updates. Subscribe to our Telegram channel where you can get access to articles and all the updates from Vidikya. Join our rapid program and you can easily crack CLAT in just 2 months. And who knows? Once again, we'll be producing the top AIRs from our institution. If you are dedicated enough, if you are ready to take the challenge, join Vidikya CLAT crash course today itself और करें अपनी तैयारी जीत की with Vidikya. Hope you enjoyed this session. I'll come back with more updates. Till then, keep in mind the crash course Rapid CLAT Vidikya program. Stay logical.